Ajram, Arabic, born May 16, 1983 in Beirut, is a Lebanese singer, multi-platinum recording artist, and three-time winner of the World Music Awards. With the support of her father, Nancy began performing as a child and released her first studio album by the age of 15. Her breakthrough occurred with the start of her collaboration with well-known producer Gigi Lamara when she released her smash hit Aka's Mapad and third studio album, Salam. In 2004, she released her second international bestseller, AW Nas, which spawned several smash hits, AW Nas, Noujoum Al-Moustakbal, and IH. At which point Nancy had established pop icon status in the Middle East. Her 2008 album Achrafieh spawned 7 singles and won Nancy's first World Music Award as best-selling Middle Eastern artist, the youngest Arab WMA winner to date. She has released 8 studio albums to date and numerous other chart-topping singles such as Sheel Oyoonak Anni versus JD Meshi Hadai Fi Hata Yakathar and Mataji Hinat. Nancy Ajram is the first and only female spokesperson of Coca-Cola in the Middle East and Arab world, releasing several promotional Coke anthems that became instant smash hits such as Oulha Kelma Ala Shani and Shagadi Element waving flag. Considered by many as an Arabic music icon of the decade, Nancy was described on the Oprah Winfrey Show as one of the most influential personalities of the Middle East. Nancy has made the list of most powerful Arabs on Arabian Business several times, and was similarly listed by Newsweek as one of the most influential Arabs. Nancy's official Facebook page is the most subscribed Arabic artist page on the social media with more than 20 million followers. Early life and beginnings. Nancy Ajram was born into a Maronite Catholic family on May 16, 1983 in Achrafieh, the district in Beirut, Lebanon. In 1995, at the age of 12, Nancy Ajram took part in a variety show, Noujoum Al-Moustakbal Stars of the Future, a Lebanese reality television competition which finds new solo musical talent. Ajram won a gold medal in the Tarab category after singing the song by Umm Kulthum. Her first singles were titled Hobbak Allam Albi elGheere by Abdo Mounzer and Oulha Kelma Ala Shani. At the age of 15, she released her first album, Mihtagalak, in 1998. It was followed by Sheel Oyoonak Anni, Stop Staring in 2000, which achieved more success. Music career 2003 to 04. In early 2003, Ajram rose to fame with the success of the lead single Aka's Mapad and the release of her third studio album, Salam, which was a bestseller. The music video of Aka's Mapad caused a controversy reminiscent of older Arabic films. Nancy appeared as a cafe manager who dances and flirts with its customers. Covered songs. Nancy has performed a large number of covers for renowned songs, and this from her young age. Recent songs include As Is a Jabal's Mestani Yak Wardas Bondi Mabon and Buys to Allow Me, Kulthum's Derek All Aying, Natham Golgafali, Zay 7 is Back, among others. These performances, realized during different concerts, displayed her natural singing talents. Personal life. In September 2008, Nancy married her dentist Fadi El Hashim in Cyprus. On May 16, 2009, Nancy gave birth to her first child, a daughter. She named Mila, short for Milagrosa, miraculous in Spanish. Mila is also a traditional Levantine name popular in rural Lebanon, meaning blooming tree. However, Nancy revealed that the name was Fadi's choice, inspired by the Ukraine-born U.S. actress Mila Jovovich. Nancy released a song for her daughter, Mila. I pray for Mila to grow up. On the same day, in a survey done by Rodina magazine, Nancy was voted as the most beautiful mom of 2009. She gave birth to her second daughter, Bella, on April 23, 2011.